This one is really simple. So what we have is a circle of radius capital R, and it's touched by multiple circles of small radius, first radius small r. That radius need not necessarily be smaller than r, but we'll see to that. This is small r, this is small r, this is the center, this is capital R. So clearly this angle would be 90 degree, and so this angle will be, this entire angle would be 2 pi by n, which will, which will make this smaller angle pi by n. That gives us sine pi by n equals to r plus r. By this triangle we have that. So that gives us r equals to r plus r times sine pi by n, which gives us r equals to r sine pi by n upon 1 minus sine pi by n. So at n equals to 4, we'll have r equals to r upon root 2 minus 1. So A option is incorrect because r times root 2 minus 1 is capital R. Also we have r upon r equals to sine pi by n upon 1 minus sine pi by n. So when n is 1, this is 0. At n2, this is infinity. After n equals to 2, this thing will decrease. At n equals to 0, as n goes to infinity, this will go to 0. And so this decreases as n increases, and at n equals to 6, this thing is 1. So if n is less than 6, this thing will be greater than 1. So that is, if n is less than 6, implies r by r is greater than 1, which implies r is greater than r. So B option is also incorrect. Then we'll, so what we had is, if n increases, r upon r decreases. So r upon r at n equals to 4 was root 2 minus 1. No, it was root 2 plus 1. Okay, so that is r times root 2 minus 1 was r at n equals to 4, after which r by r decreased. That means r times root 2 minus 1 decreased. Or what it means that r upon r at n equals to 8 was less than root 2 plus 1, which means r times root 2 minus 1 is less than r at n equals to 8. So C option is correct. And as for option D, we have, after using this, we have r plus r is equals to r times cosec pi by 8, cosec pi by 12, which is, I think, root 2 times root 3 plus 1 or something like that. I think it's root 2 times root 3 plus 1. So that gives us, this implies that r times root 2 times root 3 plus 1 is equals to r plus r, that is it is greater than r. So D option is also correct. So answer is CD.